Mama's homemade cozies. Look, I actually have a place for them now. Cloths and towels. And Grandma's beautiful china. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. And all my tea, tinctures, vitamins, and nothing to do with coffee. So that's done at least. They say big pieces of furniture in the biggest room. Woot! I'm learning so much. I love it. Yeah, the fridges together. Look at the beautiful. Oh, is it rainbow? Is it rainbow? Oh, oh. I am going to put some things right here on each side on here to make it well. As are temporary. That's all of my food basically. Well, except for whatever's in cupboards. I can't wait to empty more buckets to make for recycling. Yeah! Look, plants to be transplanted and given some more love to so they grow. And we can actually use the dining table now. Dog area. And this is like tidy. What? Gonna get a shelf up there once we find the stud. Yay! This is all spices. All of it. Spices. Can you see? Or am I just a cooking freak? But yeah, more containers for these things and bags and labels. Dehydrator station where the fridge used to be. Lovely stove. Clean dishes. Look at this, look at this. I'm just like, it's the little things. I have a place for all of my mason jars now, and my jugs, and coffee cups or teacups. And then we have the bowls and plates and pans. Like, what? Did you put anything in here? There's nothing in here. What? What? What else? Oh my god. This was full. Do you guys remember? It was like spices and smoothie stuff and noodles and cans. It's all organized now. Tupperware. Like, what? It fits nicely here with the teapot and the blender that's used every single day. My juicer. I can see my juicer. Like, this is so nice. This is stuff to get rid of or put away somewhere. Now this chaotic mess is now organized. Oils and ferments. Oh my gosh, did she find my other coconut oil? Wow. And then we got root veggies. And then we have a whole bin full of smoothie stuff. Oh my god, more psyllium husk. Yes. All smoothie stuff. I'm not going to share with you yet. And then peanut butter powder, greens, and other cool things. Anybody want more of an update of what's in here? Just let me know. Well, this has been so much fun. This whole weekend has been just crazy, but awesome. We've been like cleaning and organizing and like not getting rid of a lot of stuff, surprisingly yet, but just organizing things. It totally makes sense to actually find all your stuff that goes together and put like things with like things, like like they belong together. Yup. Loving this. The scariest part next is the storage room. But I've got help. Get by with little help, my friends. It is 3 minutes to 12 o'clock. Good night. Au revoir. Sayonara. Peace out. Home